The unkindest cut of all? 4-year-old Deepika's father says a doctor at the country's best-known hospital, the All India Institute of Medical Sciences or AIIMS, has removed both her kidneys. She's now on dialysis, struggling to survive. Deepika Chandra from Bareilly was admitted to AIIMS with an inflamed left kidney in March. Doctors recommended that it be removed. A few days after the surgery, when the girl complained of pain, a scan showed that she had no kidneys. Her family insists that all tests before the surgery show both kidneys, the right one healthy and functioning normally.
हाँ, वो कराया था उन्होंने CT स्कैन और उसके बाद में उन्होंने उसकी रिपोर्ट देखी। रिपोर्ट देखने के बाद बता रहे हैं इसके पेट में कोई किडनी नहीं है। सर ऐसा तो नहीं होता है कि जब पूरा साइज़ दे रहे हैं और काफ़ी बड़ा साइज़ दे रहे हैं लेफ़्ट साइड की किडनी का, तो जो राइट साइड की किडनी है वो तो नॉर्मल है। तो वो नॉर्मल चीज़ तो अलग हो गई। और जैसे हमने कुछ सीनियर लोगों से भी जाके कहा था कि सर ऐसा हमें बताया है डॉक्टर ने कि राइट साइड की किडनी इतनी बढ़ गई थी कि लेफ़्ट साइड में भी पहुंच गई, तो बोले ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है।
ये हो सकता है कि किडनी हो ही नहीं। मैंने कहा ये आप कैसे कह रहे हैं कि मैं इस बात को CT स्कैन करा करके लिए। मैंने कहा आप क्या इससे पहले CT स्कैन क्यों नहीं कराया? तो नहीं, छोटे बच्चे को CT स्कैन नहीं कराते, उससे कैंसर हो जाता है। हम बोले जब छोटे बच्चे को कैंसर हो जाता है, CT स्कैन नहीं करा सकते, तो अब आपने कैसे करा दिया?
AIIMS officials now say that the girl may have been born with just one kidney, but they have no explanation for how they removed the left kidney without first checking the other one.
Probably it appears that it was a congenital agenesis of the kidney. Let us see what the report says, and then finally we can take a call on what actually happened.
What do you mean by congenital
agenesis means the absence of one-sided kidney. The parents donates their one kidney. So that's the best match, and for a young child we would expect that the best match is there so that the longevity of the kidney is more. But as far as the cost of the transplant and other things is concerned, AIIMS hospital would bear it.
The hospital says that they've set up an investigation panel, but Deepika's father, who runs a juice stall, says he has no hope that the hospital's internal investigation will give him justice. He has filed a complaint with the police.
पहले तो मुझे जवाब चाहिए। हम बच्ची के लिए जान भी दे देंगे, मगर हमारी जो राइट साइड की किडनी है तो डॉक्टर ने कहाँ लगाई है, कितने की बेची है, ये सब जानकारी हमें मिल जाए, हम किडनी दे दें।
Little Deepika is on dialysis support now, and it's only on Thursday, when the AIIMS committee's report comes out, will her family come to know what exactly happened to her right kidney. But irrespective of the reasons, Deepika's father, who is a fruit juice seller in Bareilly, will have to bear the cost of the dialysis till a kidney donor is found. With camera person Naresh Kumar reporting from Delhi, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.